Okay, so this is the second part of the tutorial that I made. Basically, we're going to be continuing on from where we left off, and I don't want to go on for too much longer, but if you're coming into this, you most likely want to watch the first part. This is just a continuation of that, but with that said, once the simulation is done, it'll be inside the steady folder, inside simulations, inside 8 procs case. This is very important because it needs to know where the restarts will happen. So if you happen to close this and then come back, you need to make sure that the result directory is where the 8 procs case folder will be located. Once that's set up, you put 100, stop at 100, and increment of 0 because we want to find it at the final step. Now you can convert it, and we will convert it into the separate folder away from the project in here. Results have been converted. And now you should get a VTP and VTU, and I'll show you what to do with those in a second. So we're going to save project and then close. So now that that's done, we're going to load back into PairView. Once in PairView, we're going to load the data that we just converted. We're going to load the VTU and VTP files and hit apply. So this now shows you the pressure of that surface, and there's different ways of representing it, but for the purpose of this video, to just give you a simple tutorial on how to get here, I think I've done a good job. And anything more than that you can sort of look into, but I will say that there are some settings and stuff you can tweak, play around with in PairView that allow you to see it in more detail. So for the purpose of what I'm building this for, I don't need that level of detail, but I do need the binary. So that's basically done. So yeah, just wanted to do that, and I'll close off this video now. Thank you so much.